a few interesting sums now. Let's see the sum. Here the sum is saying that we need to find the value of this expression, that is 2 tan 30 upon 1 plus tan square 30, and check whether it is equal to the option A, B, C or D. For that, first we need to find the value of that expression, right? So let's write that expression. It is 2 tan 30 upon 1 plus tan square 30. For this, we need to first know what's the value of tan 30. And the value of tan 30 from the table, we'll get it as, it is nothing but 1 upon root 3. So we substitute it there, right? That's the numerator now. Divided by the denominator, that is 1 plus tan square 30. So the value of tan 30, as we know, it is 1 upon root 3. Substitute that value there. This time it's a square, right? Now what we get is 2 into 1 upon root 3 is nothing but 2 upon root 3, right? Divided by 1 plus 1 upon root 3 the whole square. So it is square of 1 is 1, square of root 3 is 3, so it is 1 upon 3, right? So now what we get further is 2 upon root 3 divided by, now we take the LCM here, so we'll get 3 ones is 3, so 3 plus 1 upon 3, and we know it is 2 upon root 3 divided by 3 plus 1 is 4, so 4 upon 3. Now we convert this division into multiplication, so take the reciprocal, so 3 goes in the numerator, 4 comes in the denominator, we have it as 3 upon 4. Now what do we get further? It's 2 ones are, 2 twos are, so we get it as 3 upon root 3 into 2, right? So now we get it as 3 upon 2 root 3. Now again in the denominator, what do we have? A rational number. So whenever we have a rational number, we need to rationalize the denominator. So we rationalize it by multiplying root 3 in the numerator and root 3 in the denominator. So in the numerator we get 3 root 3, and in the denominator we'll get root 3 into root 3 is 3, so we get it as nothing but 3 into 2. Now 3 and 3 gets cancelled, so we get the answer as root 3 upon 2. Now we have solved the value of this expression. We got it as root 3 upon 2. But out of all those 4 options, we need to first check which option has the value as root 3. So if we check, let's start with the very first one, sine 60. What is the value of sine 60 from the table? You know what it is? Sine 60 is nothing but root 3. That means the very first option is nothing but the answer. That is nothing but this is sine 60. That means the very first option, that is option A, is correct. Wasn't that a simple sum? Let's do a sum very similar to this kind of sum, right? Again we have the value of this expression which we need to find and check whether it is equal to option A, B, C or D. Let's solve the expression. It is 1 minus tan square 45 upon 1 plus tan square 45. To solve this first, we need to know the value of tan 45, and the value of tan 45 is nothing but 1. So it is 1 the whole square. Same way in the denominator, 1 plus tan square 45. The value of tan 45, just now we know it is 1, so we get it as 1 the whole square. So it is 1 minus 1 square is nothing but 1, right? And in the denominator we have the same thing there, right? So we'll have it as 1 plus 1 the whole square, which is nothing but 1 again. So 1 plus 1, right? 1 minus 1 is nothing but 0, and in the denominator 1 plus 1 is nothing but 2. So 0 upon 2 is nothing but 0, and that is nothing but your option number D. That means here for this sum, option D is correct. Wasn't that easy? A simple sum, right?